And whilst we're on the subject of Chanel No. 5, my favourite fragrance in the world, you never know, Hippo might give it away. But this is one that came out, I can't remember, it was a few years ago now, and it was the red bottle. Oh, it's gorgeous. And I've just taken it out of my cupboard because I have it on display here. So when people come to the Scent Studio, they can have a look at all my bottles. And I've just realised that I've got some left. I'm thrilled. Fragrance bottles are worth more when you have the perfume in it. And you know what some people actually do when it's a really old, really vintage fragrance whose formula has changed over the years for many reasons, which is a whole other video. But what people do is that they'll buy these from flea markets if they have the fragrance in, and then they decant the fragrance out of the bottle, put them in tiny little vials, like little spray pumps or oil pumps or whatever, but they decant them into these tiny, it might be like 2 ml or something like that, and sell it. So you would actually make more money decanting the old vintage fragrance and selling them individually rather than trying to sell the bottle with some fragrance in it. So there you go. Fascinating fact of the day if you want to make some money with your perfume bottles that's got perfume in it. You're welcome.